Now, when I was talking about connectors, it's not just pure connectors that, or what you would assume are just connectors, that are the problem. Anything where there's two bits of metal that are just pressed together to form the contact and never move or never disturbed have the same problem that they cause. They allow oxide to build up on the plates, and the contact fails. So chips in sockets have the same problem. So these three I would reseat, and also this is a connector which plugs onto some rather long pins coming up from the east-west boards on the keyboard. And again, this connector here, that deal connector that just plugs on. I've given all this a bit of a reseat. You can hear when you push down on the chips, they kind of creak back into their socket. So I've given this a bit of a flex. It's not ideal, but I don't really want to have to dismantle this keyboard tonight just to test it. I will do it tomorrow or some point in the week, but it's getting late tonight and I'm running out of steam. So I will just plug this back together and see if that's changed anything. I would expect it hasn't. I'd probably give myself a 10% chance that it might pass the calibration, but it's going to need to be dismantled anyway. I'm not 100% sure how you take this apart. Probably you actually have to lift these springs out. I guess they're held on by the fat ends, but again, that tends to mean an awful lot of bits, an awful lot of mess, and I haven't got the energy for that tonight. So I'll plug this back together and see that it probably hasn't achieved anything, but worth a try, I guess.